Be ready.
Be ready.
Stay ready.
Stay ready.
All ready.
All ready.
It's me.
Teddy.
Be ready. Stay ready. All ready. It's me, Ted T. All right, Happy New Year again. Happy New Year again. All right, so I talked to you on New Year's Day, and we talked about what? Yeah, that's right. We talked about distractions. Distractions are nothing but something that's in between you and success. Something that's between you and your goal. That's all distractions are. Something that's getting in your way. Something that's stopping you. Something that's hindering you or deterring you from doing what you said that you're gonna do. Because you give yourself the goal. You give yourself that thing that you call success. It's you. You give it to you, and whatever's in your way, it's a distraction. So I asked you to write it down. I said, write those distractions down. Some of us may have more than one. Some of us may have more than 10, whatever it may be. I don't care what it is. But what I want you to do now, since you have them written down, I want you to take those distractions and I want you to replace them. I want you to replace them with something that's going to get you to the next level. Okay? So if you have one distraction, you need to say, okay, what can I do besides whatever I'm doing, whatever distracting, what can I do with that? Is it I need to study more? If it's two of them, is that I need to study and I need to focus, whatever it is. So you're gonna take whatever you've written down and you're gonna take that distraction and you're gonna replace it with something that's going to get you to the next level. Okay? Now, I'm gonna tell you the trick with that. We all have the internet because you're watching me right now on the internet. So what you need to do, you need to Google whatever it is your goal is. You need to Google whatever it is you call success, and you need to say, okay, what are the steps? What are the steps? Google it. You Google everything else, so Google that, and you need to start writing down. Boom, just a list of those things that you need to go step by step by step. Okay? Or you could just follow me on social media, follow other people on social media that's doing the same thing that you want to do, and you need to look at those steps. Look at those action steps. Okay? So this week, I want you to replace your distractions with something positive. Replace your distractions with something that's going to get you to the next level. Okay? That's all of what it's about this week. Okay? I want you guys, the remainder of this year, we're going to work. We're going to work. And this quarter, remember I said the first quarter, we're just working on nothing but distraction. We're trying to get past our distractions. Okay? So I want you to write it. Hey, matter of fact, put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. Tell me what your distractions are, and then tell me what you're going to do to replace those distractions. Okay? All right. I want you to be ready. I want you to stay ready, and I want you to be all ready. It's me, Ted T. I'm out.